Welcome to the Mustard Seed Tiny House. As you drive up to this striking 32-foot home, the first thing you will notice is the beautiful real cedar siding, recently stained and sealed a few weeks ago, making the cheery yellow French doors and white trim really pop. Outside, there is a water inlet, a spigot for a hose to water your flowers, and 2 sets of outlets for plugging in your patio lights, radio, or whatever you need to enjoy the view. The outward opening French doors allow for you to enjoy the full space as you walk into the living room with its massive 13-foot barnwood ceiling and cooling ceiling fan, along with dual baseboard heaters to warm you in cooler months. The huge side-by-side windows flood the space with natural light and highlight the 5-inch blonde engineered hardwood floors throughout. The kitchen is a wonderland. Shiny wooden countertops line this huge galley kitchen enveloped with painted white hickory cupboards galore. There is also a breakfast nook to sit and enjoy the view as you sip on your coffee or use as a workspace. Again, we spared nothing when designing this home with lots of windows, and in the kitchen, enjoy the very large awning-style window above the deep apron front French sink with a satin nickel faucet. Lots of natural light warms this kitchen, along with modern string and recessed lighting. As you head up the gorgeous wooden staircase to the 10x8 master loft, enjoy the 24-inch circle window on the landing. There is storage under the staircase and also in the steps. String lighting and recessed lights highlight the barnwood ceiling, brand new plush neutral carpeting, lots of windows, and another 24-inch circle window. But that's not all. Enjoy the sunset on the roof. Watch the rain or birds overhead through the 3-foot by 4-foot opening skylight. Back downstairs is a very big bathroom with new flooring, flushable toilet, round sink with satin nickel waterfall faucet atop the barnwood countertop. The spacious corner shower is modified from Wayfair. Get the experience of being in a spa with the teak and beach pebbles. A hidden cat door leads to the cat mansion and can be used as more storage or a cool place for your kitty to take a nap and house your litter. Climb the ladder to the kids' split loft, which has 2 windows on either side and their own skylights to enjoy looking for shooting stars.